Hello, this is how I've been eating every day because I'm trying to watch my diet because a bad diet gives you stomach problems and all types of things. And I am trying to stay in good health. I am sitting here at the Baptist Med Center having a nice Sunday. I just enjoyed my day at church. I hope you went to church today to celebrate the Lord because that's the only thing that I find serious in my life now. But look at my diet. It's simply little soup and crackers. How about that? And I have a glass of water. How about that? So, start eating clean every day. And guess what? This morning, I had for breakfast was celery, carrots. I took them and pureed them, and I added a chopped green apple to it. Yes, the Granny Smith apple. Those are very good for you, very nutritious. And I put like a little swig of lemon juice in with it, and a diet sugar of your choice, just one little pinch of sugar. And oh my gosh, I drank that this morning and I feel like a walking exercised hero. And you can feel the same way too. I'm Cecile Coleman. Tune in with me next time and look on my face page and you will find a lot of my recipes so you can get healthy too. Thank you, and you have a nice Sunday. See you soon.